Let's turn to the long edge of the mat. This time to face the feet forward, so toes pointing forward, hands onto the hips. Inhale, fan pose. So take the torso down, bring the hands to the floor, or you can use your blocks here. Bring the hands onto the blocks. Nice to have the blocks here. So if you can't reach the floor, bring the hands to your blocks. Nice long spine. Right hand under the face, we're twisting again. Inhale, twisting to the left. Exhale down. Left hand under the face, inhale, twisting right. Hands back down one more time. Inhale, twisting left. Nice long spine. And down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Bring the hands back to the hips. Press into the feet. Long spine. Coming up, coming up, coming up. All the way up. Nice and slow. Toe heel, toe heel, toe heel. Back to mountain pose. And let's just bring the hands together in front of the heart. Let's close our eyes. Slow down our breath. And breathe. Slowing down the breath.